Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by installing Google Translate and Gboard, then enable Gboard as a keyboard with full access. Once done, open WhatsApp and pick the chat you want to translate into another language. Make sure you know the source and target languages. Now switch keyboards to Gboard, tap the globe icon. This gets you into the translation workflow fast, because Gboard connects to Google Translate for live typing translation, and you avoid constantly switching apps. With Gboard active, tap its menu and choose the Translate icon to open the Translate bar. Then pick both source and target languages. Make sure they match the conversation. You type normally and Gboard shows the translated text inline, so you can check tone and fix mistakes before sending. Once satisfied, tap Send in WhatsApp. This method keeps context and punctuation intact and avoids copy-paste. It's faster for short messages and maintains the chat flow without leaving WhatsApp. If a message is long or you need better nuance, copy the text, open Google Translate, paste it, pick languages, then copy the result back into WhatsApp. You can also use voice input in Translate or Gboard for quick spoken translations. If something goes wrong, no translate bar, failed sends, or blank translations. First, check settings general keyboard permissions and full access for Gboard. Then try reinstalling the app or toggling full access. That usually fixes permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.